Right guys, it is 10 AM on Sunday the 4th of June 2020.
July.
Oh, take two.
I am
Let me shut this window. It's 10 AM on Saturday the... No, days. I keep looking at you because I'm nervous. Hi guys, it is 10 AM on Saturday the 4th of July 2020 and we've had quite a week, haven't we? We've been quite busy. It's been our wedding anniversary. It was our 4th wedding anniversary on Thursday.
Happy anniversary.
Hashtag husbands. And now this weekend is going to be really special because our little family of 2 is becoming a family of 3. So we're just off to actually go and pick up the pup now. To be honest, we probably did everything that you shouldn't do. We haven't actually met the pup yet, which I know anyone watching this video is probably going to be like, are you joking? But with coronavirus and the COVID and the lockdown, most breeders have been off limits to go and see. So we've done a FaceTime video. So we've met the breeder, we've met the mum, we've seen the pups, we've seen where they're living, and everything looks really good. And the guy seemed really, really great. So fingers crossed we haven't been ripped off. We saw 2 pups that we fell in love with. The first one is a Sealyham puppy, which is this one. And the second one was a Cavapoo, which was this one. We're not going to tell you which one we actually went with. You'll have to watch the rest of this video. Puppy at the moment has got 2 possible names. The first one, which we love, is Montgomery, and the second name is Arthur. We thought it's best just to meet him and find out who he is. So we're just off now. We're staying at my granddad's house at the moment, so let's go meet my granddad, and then we're off to go and get Puppy.
How are you feeling?
Pretty good. What are you going to call a dog now?
Well, either Monty or Arthur, we don't know yet.
I like Monty. You know, Montgomery, or what you call him, Monty. You can't call Arthur. What was the dog we had in London? Bruce.
Stand up, let's have a smile. You put your tip tuck in.
No.
When we come back,
We'll have a puppy.
let's go.
Moo, are you excited?
You've got no idea what's coming for you. Left. How do you feel?
Nervous. I'm breaking it.
You have reached your destination.
Right, so we've just been driving. It's meant to be an hour. It's taken us an hour and 20. We're not going to film going in just because we're going into somebody's house and we don't know who they are. And we just want to have a little moment to go meet the pup. So we're going to go pick him up. We're going to get him back to my granddad's house and then we'll have the big reveal. Right, we're back and we've got him. So are you ready to meet our new puppy?
Dun, 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 dun.
We got the little Cavapoo. He's a little boy, he's 8 weeks old. You good boy?
He's a very good boy. He hasn't cried. He's been playing lots. He's loving this at the minute.
Let's see what the first night brings. Do you like Monty?
Yeah.
Yeah. Elliot?
Yeah?
Tell me, what happened to the television?
I don't know that.
Why?
Remote.
Because I go to throw up daddy and I go that
He loves kisses. Leave it. Leave it.
Oh, what's that?
Good boy.
Is that bad?
Buddy! 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 Buddy!
He's sleeping boy.
Right, here we go. First night. We've been playing with him all night, so we've set up his bed for the night. So he's right next to us, and we've just got his little cratey. We made him a little run around area. He seems to be quite happy in the crate so far, with a little bit of crying. Just see how it goes, and yeah. Good morning. It's 6 AM and We're here. I had such a good night. We're now at 6 o'clock. And he's up. So we're gonna have some cuddles in bed. And then we go breakfast. He's such a good boy. Listen there.
So we're on our first proper day back home now, and got my baby sleeping. The dog is also asleep, but so far so good. Puppy's just sleeping. I think everyone's a bit tired at the minute, but I wouldn't change it for the world.
So here we are, we're at home. We've had the little boy for a few days now, and we've decided there's only one name for him. He is, of course, our little Montgomery. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any tips or tricks for your new puppy, please write them in the comment below. Make sure you head over to Instagram and follow us. Our username's down at the bottom here. And be sure to follow the newest member of Instagram, @Montgomery_the Cavapoo. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to keep up on all the puppy updates. But for now, thanks, bye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.